Ever wonder, how can I invest without spending all my time figuring out what to buy, and when to sell? Coming up next. If you just started investing, you might be wondering, how can I invest without putting in a lot of time? Many investors ask the same question. And the answer? By using a hands-off approach called passive or buy and hold investing. This means you may not buy and sell often, and what you do buy may be held onto for the long haul, or it's managed by a fund manager like an ETF or a mutual fund. It could be an ETF that tracks a benchmark like the S&P 500 index. In fact, you might want your portfolio to mirror the market or a benchmark. And if you're investing towards a goal, you might have a time frame of at least 5 years. If a passive approach works for you, you're not alone. You know, even more experienced investors find it a great way to invest without devoting a lot of time.